How to take a screenshot on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device. After that, scroll down and then tap on additional settings. So as you tap on additional settings, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on gesture shortcuts over here. And here you'll be able to see the option of take a screenshot. So tap on it and here you can see there are two options. Slide three fingers down or tap on volume down plus power simultaneously so that you can take a screenshot. You can toggle on any one of these options only, or you can toggle on for both of these options so that any of the options would be useful whenever you feel convenient. So I'm going to tap and slide three fingers down and here you can see it has taken a screenshot. You can also tap on the power down button and power and it will also take a screenshot over here, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.